structures. Every luxury leather product begins with a raw, untamed material. In this facility, the journey starts with raw python skins, sourced and delivered in their natural state, still carrying the marks of nature and time. Before any processing begins, each skin is manually inspected. Thickness, elasticity, and scale integrity determine how the leather can be used. Excess tissue is carefully removed by hand. This step prepares the skin for proper preservation and ensures even treatment later in the process. Skins are soaked to rehydrate fibers and remove impurities. Time and liquid balance are critical to avoid damage.
Inside rotating drums, the skins are cleaned thoroughly. This mechanical motion replaces aggressive handling and protects the natural scale structure.
After cleaning, each skin is laid flat to rest. This stabilizes the material before further transformation.
Tanning strengthens the fibers, turning fragile skin into durable leather. This step defines the lifespan of the final product.
Controlled drying locks in the tanning process. Airflow and spacing prevent warping and uneven tension. Stretching restores shape and flatness. Too much force damages scales, too little leaves wrinkles. At this stage, the natural beauty of python leather begins to emerge. No two skins are ever the same. Natural oils are absorbed into the leather to enhance flexibility and prevent cracking over time. Careful pressing improves consistency while preserving the raised texture that defines python leather. Cutting decisions are made by eye and experience. Each section is chosen based on strength and visual balance. Once cut, pieces are sorted by product type. Every category follows its own assembly path. Stitching python leather requires controlled speed. The needle must pass between scales without tearing them. Belts demand uniform tension. Reinforcement layers ensure long-term durability.
Smaller products reveal imperfections instantly. Precision here defines the brand's quality.
Edge finishing protects the leather and gives each piece a refined, luxury appearance. Metal components are installed with controlled pressure to avoid damaging the leather beneath.
Final shaping brings the product to life. Fit, symmetry, and flow are checked from every angle.
Every item passes through strict inspection. Only flawless pieces move forward. Before packaging, each piece is cleaned and polished to highlight natural texture and craftsmanship. Packaging completes the journey, protecting the product while reinforcing its premium identity. From raw python skin to refined luxury, this is the true journey of leather craftsmanship. After primary processing, python leather is stored carefully. Proper resting stabilizes the fibers before advanced craftsmanship begins. Softness and flexibility are tested by hand. The leather must bend naturally without stressing the scales. Scale alignment defines visual harmony. Skilled eyes ensure patterns flow evenly across each product. Different areas of the skin serve different purposes. Strength zones are reserved for stress points. Luxury leather products rely on strong inner structure. Linings are prepared to support comfort and durability. Bonding joins leather and lining into a single functional layer without compromising flexibility.
Once bonded, excess material is removed to maintain clean edges and consistent sizing.
Hidden reinforcement stitches protect seams from long-term wear.
Curved sections demand patience. Any misalignment becomes visible instantly.
Sleeves require constant rotation to preserve uniform stitching along the curve.
Before final assembly, the jacket is checked for balance and proportion.
Small corrections at this stage prevent visible flaws later.
Belts rely on hidden strength. Reinforcement prevents stretching over time. Edge folding improves durability and delivers a refined finish. Consistent stitching ensures both appearance and structural integrity.
Even hole spacing maintains symmetry and usability. Smaller leather goods require the same discipline as larger garments, precision without shortcuts. Each fold is calculated to preserve slim profile and strength.
Sanding prepares edges for sealing and prevents future wear. Layered edge sealing creates a smooth, protective barrier. Hardware placement must be exact. Even minor deviation affects function and appearance. The final stitch locks the entire structure together.
Resting allows the leather to settle naturally into its final form.
Every surface, seam, and edge is inspected. Only flawless items proceed. At this stage, the transformation is complete. Raw material has become refined craftsmanship.
Finishing begins with surface care. Any remaining particles are removed to preserve the natural texture.
Polishing enhances the depth of the scales, without altering their natural character.
A protective layer guards the leather against moisture while maintaining flexibility.
Final shaping ensures proper drape and balanced proportions. Key visual zones receive extra attention. Symmetry defines premium quality. Belts are tested for uniform structure from end to end. Every accessory must meet the same standard as larger pieces. Stress tests confirm long-term durability without compromising appearance. Final trimming removes any visual distractions from the craftsmanship. Only fully approved items move to final presentation.
Presentation begins long before packaging. Organization preserves quality. Structured arrangement prevents deformation and damage.
Protective wrapping ensures safe transport while maintaining finish.
Packaging materials are chosen to support both protection and elegance.
Proper folding prevents stress on seams and scales.
Each belt is stored to maintain consistent form. Basic forging 3-1. Custom packaging eliminates unnecessary movement. The final step prepares products for delivery. The journey continues beyond the factory floor.
What began as raw python skin is now a finished luxury garment.
Every detail reflects hours of skilled craftsmanship. Precision and consistency define every accessory. These products represent the harmony between material and mastery. Behind every luxury piece is a disciplined process. From raw python skin to refined leather goods, this is the true leather process.